Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, disconnect the opener and pull the manual release so the door won't move. This protects you while you work. Check both sides of the track for bends, 1/4 gaps, or debris that prevents smooth travel. Once done, test roller alignment by lifting the door a few inches. You'll feel binding if tracks are misaligned. Next, loosen only the track fasteners that hold the bent section. This gives you room to realign without removing the whole assembly. Once the fasteners are loosened, work methodically. Use a level to square the track and insert small spacers to correct any zero. 5 degrees tilt. This prevents future binding. Make incremental adjustments, tapping the track with a rubber mallet to nudge bends. Avoid hitting rollers or seals. Replace any rollers showing wear, swapping one side at a time so the door stays balanced. After finger tightening bolts, manually move the door fully to observe sticking points. Then you finish by tightening all hardware evenly, then reconnect the opener and set travel limits according to the manufacturer. This prevents slam or overrun. Run the door through several cycles while listening for rubbing and watching for uneven heights. If you see one side lift before the other, adjust torsion spring tension in very small increments and retest. If the door still derails or springs look damaged, stop immediately and call a professional. Torsion springs store dangerous energy and require specialist tools and training.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.